Next time you have overripe bananas, instead of throwing them out, try making these banana muffins. The recipe starts by sieving 130 grams of plain flour into a bowl. Add in 60 grams of white sugar, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Add in 2 1/4 tablespoons of milk powder before mixing the dry ingredients together. Next, we'll peel 2 overripe bananas and break them into chunks so we can put them in the bowl. Pour in the juice of 1 lemon, and then we'll crush the banana and combine it with the lemon juice with a fork. We'll crack 1 egg into the mixture. Then we'll mix it well before pouring in 70 milliliters of milk. Add in 60 grams of melted butter before mixing the wet ingredients well. Next, we'll combine the wet and dry ingredients in one big bowl and stir it until they're smooth. We can fit about 7 silicone muffin cups into the air fryer. We'll fill each cup with batter until it's around 80% full. We'll be making 10 mini muffins, and I recommend doing it in 2 batches so the muffins rise evenly. Now we'll air fry for 15 minutes at around 180 degrees Celsius. Once they're done, we'll test it with a wooden skewer to see if they're ready. If your sticks come out wet, your muffins need a little bit longer in the air fryer. Now that our muffins are ready, we'll remove it and let them cool. The muffins come out really easily from their cups. After tasting, the muffins were moist and fluffy and had amazing flavors. You can see how fluffy they were from my dad squishing it. Overall, these muffins were really easy to make and turned out delicious.